Welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. And what day is today? Well, today is Sunday. And what's Sunday in Diva Land? Well, it's Shout Out Sunday. And every Sunday, I shout out a wonderful channel that I want to give recognition to. So, who will the diva be shouting out today? Well, the channel I'm shouting out today is Kitchen Queers. That's right. And when YouTube recommended that channel to me, I said to myself, yeah, I have to go over there and see what that's all about. Sounds very interesting to me. And when I headed over their channel, it was interesting, informative, and sometimes very funny. And I just love it. So, the content creators, there's two of them, of that channel are Mitch, and Mitch is the host. And Mitch, well, he makes a lot of cocktails on there and mocktails on there. He wears wigs sometimes, very colorful clothing, and he has the deepest voice that I love. So you will love Mitch too. And then there's Phil. Phil is Mitch's longtime partner, and Phil is more of the baker on the channel. He does many other things. He'll make dinners, they'll do crafts, but I think he's the baker. You will get to know both of these men as we talk more about their channel. But what they'd like you to know is, queer is not a bad word at all. Queer means unusual, doesn't it? It means funny, and those two are a hoot and a half. It means uncommon, and it means extraordinary, and they certainly are all four of those things. I love how they dress. They wear super colorful clothing. In many of their videos, they match each other color-wise. They have a beautiful set up, and it's just really a fantastic channel. As I mentioned before, Mitch does all the cocktails. He does fancy cocktails. He does colorful cocktails. He does party buffets and more. And Phil is more the baker who does dinners and crafts and many other things. The two of them work together very well. And I will say one thing for sure. Those two certainly know how to party. Well, I think they deserve another one. Yes, they know how to party. They like to keep things fun, festive, and colorful. I'm going to insert some pictures so you'll see how colorful they are. Periodically, you'll see them do a live, or they'll appear on a live. They keep that more casual and low-key when they're on the lives, and they're a lot of fun to watch. You should try to catch one of them because you really find out a lot more about them, more than I can tell you in just a few minutes of my shout out. A few of the videos that you will see on their channel, and there's many. There's one on 7 yummy bacon appetizers. Now, who doesn't love bacon? I love bacon. So when I saw that, I went right to that video. And they have one on there. Oh, this one I loved. It's the red, white, and blue mini tacos. And I think they worked with a company. And there's these little miniature tacos in red, white, and blue colors. And they had platters of them out. And oh, they were fantastic. They gave me a good idea because I think I want to order them and make them myself when I have a party here. They have a couple of videos on holiday cocktails. They have one video on green and red cocktails, and then there's a separate one all on cocktails for the holidays. So you have to watch them. And they have separate videos on these cocktails that are just unbelievable. There'll be a blue cocktail, and then of course you'll see them dressed in blue. There might be a pink cocktail, there might be a mocktail, and they know I'm not really a drinker, so they told me they're going to make a special non-alcoholic cocktail for moi. That's right. They have another video on there of roasted red pepper hummus. Now that sounds good if you love hummus, right? And I think it was Mitch on there carving a cantaloupe. He made a carved cantaloupe fruit bowl. Looked pretty awesome to me. And they have so many more videos on there. I mean, there's really a lot to see. I really have to tell you, I love these guys, and they have been so supportive of my channel. In fact, not too long ago, when we did our Halloween dessert collab, there was 6 channels, and they participated in that channel. And they did a great job. I think both of them did a fantastic Halloween cupcake, and they promoted the collab, and we really had a lot of fun. One thing I want to say, and you all know that the reason that I do this Shout Out Sunday is so that we can give recognition to a lot of YouTube channels out there that are maybe small and, they have a little way to grow yet. And it's very hard out there in YouTube land with those thousands and thousands and thousands of videos. If someone doesn't put the spotlight on you, you could get lost in YouTube land. And it's a shame because there's so many great channels out there. Now, last time I looked, I think Kitchen Queers had about 974 subscribers. So I want all of you to go over to their channel. I'll put the link down below in my description box, and I want you to show them some love. Give them some support. Smash that red subscribe button, and let's see if we can get them up to 1,000. Because I told you, they love to throw parties, and I'll bet you anything, when they hit 1,000 subscribers, they're gonna throw a big party. So, I think that what I'd like you to do is head on over and take a look. I think you will get such a kick out of their outfits they wear, and oh my goodness, Mitch with those wigs he puts on. He's quite entertaining. Some of them are one color, some of them are multicolor, and their outfits, I don't know where they come up with them. These coordinating outfits, they're so cool. So I want you to head on over. They have so many great videos on there. Head on over, show them a little love, hit that subscribe button, make a comment, and tell them the Baking Diva sent you over. You will love, love, love their channel just as much as I do. So I'm going to continue doing Shout Out Sunday because it seems like all of you are enjoying it, and it's helping the smaller channels grow. And that's what it's all about. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, feel free to go down below and hit my subscribe button and the little bell next to it. You have to hit the little bell and then you hit it again till it says all. And then when I have a new video up, you'll get a notification. It's free, doesn't cost anything. And with the holidays coming up, we have a lot of good holiday videos coming up. So I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday. I hope you go over and say hi to Mitch and Phil and support their channel. And I'm going to be watching, I hope very soon, they get their 20 plus subscribers and they hit that 1,000 subscribers. Onward and upward. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate your support. I love each and every one of you. If I wasn't doing this craziness, if I didn't love what I was doing, I certainly wouldn't be doing it. So anyway, I hope to see you all very soon. Take care of yourselves and toodles!